welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we are wrapping up as much of the decorating as we can. I'm decorating my kids' bedrooms. Well, I'm going to show you the kids' bedrooms and a little bit of my master bathroom as well. But I am currently getting over a cold. The past couple of weeks, almost all of us have been sick for at least a few days, and it has not been fun. And on this day that I'm recording this, I have a fever, but you know what? I said, if I don't get this tree up for my son, this will not happen. So you're going to see me decorating the tree, and I will link these pajamas down in the description because they are so cute. But I put on regular lights. He wants multicolored lights, and we got these last year. And honestly, if you want that old-fashioned lighting look, it has to be incandescent. It cannot be LED. These lights are from Walmart. I will link them down below as well. So his tree is clearly, it's not pre-lit, but it is worth it so that he can get the kind of lights that he wants. And I've also found that it's actually really easy, or you get a good bang for your buck, especially if you have like a slimmer tree like this, to just put the lights on vertically, and I kind of stick them like deeper into the tree and then come on out to the outside of the tree as I'm decorating. So one thing that I thought would be fun to show in this video, last year the kids decorated their rooms for Christmas as well, but last year I never got around to sharing that with you because I was going through a lot of things last year. So I'm going to show you not only how we decorated this year, but I'm also going to show you what they did last year, and I hope that you enjoy that as well. I'm going to try not to talk too much because I am trying to get over being sick, but I just wanted to share that I am adding this popcorn garland that I got from Hobby Lobby. I've collected over the past few years. And then this year I just have this ornament set. We're just sticking with reds and whites for him. And then you're going to see me just add some festive sheets to his bed. But I'm going to stop talking. Hope that you enjoyed the video. Now we're in our last house, and this is how we decorated the tree. This year he was with his friends, and I decided I'll go ahead and put your tree up. And last year, of course, you know, he was hands-on with putting his tree together. And so same tree, we did the lights a little different. We didn't do them vertically, we did them around. And so you can see a little bit of a difference, but I hope that you enjoy this as well. It deserves to be seen, even though so far it's only been me who's had it just stored for over a year now. And in the past, I have done more decorating. So like they had a different style of bed. Both of the kids had like these bookcase beds. So I definitely had lots more space to add a lot of fun festive decor. And in the past, we've done more of a snowman theme in my son's room. And this year, I just did the tree and added some bedding, but no other decor in his room. Also, last year we add the sports ornaments, so basketball and football. He specifically said he did not want to do that this year, so I will be donating those ornaments. I got them from Hobby Lobby, and he did want to do more like grays and silvers, but we couldn't ever come together and decide like for sure. So I already had those red and white ornaments that I picked up to add to his tree last year, so it worked out. I didn't have to spend any money on anything for his tree this year. Bathroom, and I'm just going to add a few bath mats or bath rugs. I guess it depends on what you call it. I wasn't sure. I was trying not to do the white ones, so you'll see that I have the Mary hand towels that I got from Target, and they have coordinating bathroom rugs, but I just am like, why do I always gravitate towards white rugs that are just going to get dirty? So I got these red ones instead, and then I have the red and white striped ones. That's kind of like a candy cane. So I have a little bit of a festive touch. I didn't do too much. And then, of course, oh, this soap smells so good from Bath & Body Works. But that pretty much rounds up what we did in the bathroom. Didn't add any towels, but that's okay. And then now let's move into my daughter's room. And this is from this year. And this is how she decided to decorate her room for the holiday season. Most of her ornaments she's already had. What we did add this year were the flower picks. Those are from Hobby Lobby. And then the longer ornaments that you're seeing, the little vertical ones, those are also from Hobby Lobby this year. And those butterflies might also be from Hobby Lobby. But everything else we've collected over the years. And again, a lot of it did come from Hobby Lobby, Michael's, places like that. This is my bear from when I was a little girl. If not, she's had it since she was really little, but I don't know if you know, but like Belk's and some department stores have their little Christmas bears that they put out each year. So she's made sure that she included that into the decor. And then she's just going to add a few of these pink bottle brush trees that I believe we got from the at-home store last year. And we have so much decor, like a lot of it I probably will end up getting rid of because she just doesn't use it anymore. But a lot of shelf styling decor that are pink. But I definitely like how she did everything. She just added a few pink touches to her shelves. And here we are, last holiday season. She wanted to do ribbon for her tree. So we had this really pretty pink ribbon that we got. I believe it was from Michael's. And this is how she chose to do her tree last year. She said she did not want to do her tree with ribbon this year because it was very time consuming, which it is. And honestly, One of the first times that I ever used ribbon on my tree, it was in a very similar way. I'll have to find a picture of that. It is on my blog if you want to check it out. But she definitely did all this herself, and I, again, wanted to make sure that the world could see it and it wasn't just for me and her to see. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I do have more holiday fun coming your way, but this will be probably the last of the decorating videos. Next will probably be my holiday home tour. We have a hot cocoa bar. We have lots of things coming in store for you now that I think we're all back above board and we're not under the weather anymore. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you come back to watch what I have next for you. And I hope that you are just enjoying this wonderful time of the year. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.